Okay guys, in this tutorial, how do you fix your Bluetooth device is not working on Windows 11? The very first step that you're going to try in order to fix this issue, hold the Windows key and R in your keyboard and you'll come up with this screen and you're going to type over here services.msc services.msc and click on OK. You'll come up with this screen. Now you're going to tap B later until and unless you find Bluetooth. So here you have three different Bluetooth services. It's Bluetooth audio gateway, Bluetooth support services and Bluetooth user support services. So what you're going to do one by one, you're going to right click on it, go to properties and set the services type to automatic. If it is already automatic, you don't have to do anything. Click on OK. So one by one you're going to do the same for all other two. Go to properties, set it to automatic. If it is automatic, leave it as it is. Go to properties, set it to automatic. Click on apply. If you get any kinds of error message like this, just neglect it and cancel it. Leave the service as it is. Again, come back to the same place. One more thing you're going to do, you're going to stop and start the services. You're going to stop and start the services. Here you have a stop and start. Again, here you have a stop and start. If you still persist, come back to the same place again and you're going to try refreshing the services. You're going to do for all three services, try refreshing the services. Once you have made any changes over here, be sure to restart your computer. Like a stop and restart do not require any restart. Refreshing also do not require any restart, but if you have changed any services from manual to automatic, be sure you restart your computer once. So I hope this helped. The very first thing is try refreshing. It do not work, stop and start the services. It do not work, change it to automatic and restart your PC and see if it is working fine. Still you have the issue, proceed to the next step. So the next easy way is go to the source and type troubleshoot. So when you type troubleshoot, here you have a troubleshoot setting. You will click on all the troubleshooter. You have a problem with the Bluetooth, so click on run the troubleshooter. Just give us some time. So while troubleshooting any kinds of issue occurs, just close the window and run the troubleshooter again. So here it says, do you have consent to run the automatic diagnostic? So yes, it will automatically diagnose and fix the problem. So click on continue. It will automatically look for the problem and fix the problem. If the issue still persists, we will be proceeding to the third step. Okay, if troubleshooting do not fix your issue, give a right click somewhere and you're going to find somewhere it's manage. Okay, right click, show more options. Somewhere you're going to find manage. So I didn't find it. So sorry guys, we do not find manage over there. There must be this PC or my computer. Give a right click on it and then click on show more options. And then you'll find a manage over here. Simply clicking on an empty desktop. So here you find a manage. Now you click on device manager and you search for the Bluetooth. There is a Bluetooth. For some of you guys, the Bluetooth will be missing over here in this device manager. So in that case, this method will not work for you. If Bluetooth is missing in your device manager. If Bluetooth is not missing in your device manager, you can follow this step. What you're going to do is give a right click on it, update the driver, and it should fix your issue. If the Bluetooth is available over there in the device manager, if it is missing, you skip this step and you're going to try other steps. After updating, if updating do not work, you're going to do same for one by one for all this. I'm doing it for only one. Let's say you have a problem with other device or showing some kinds of yellow icons over here. So one by one we'll be doing for all this. We'll scan for the hardware change. When you'll go to the properties and then after you'll go to the details, it's the device, advanced options, Okay, let me close it. Give a right click it. Okay, this is airport properties, and then go to properties. Here you have in the details, advanced options. So you don't have option to here you have you'll go to the drivers. In the drivers, if you have options to roll back the driver, you can just roll back the driver. So the roll backing driver might help you sometime. Currently it is grayed out because I don't have option to roll back. But if you have option to roll back, if some update has caused a problem, then you can roll back the driver because it was working fine previously. Yeah, you can roll back only if it is working fine previously. In that case, will be roll back. Roll backing means going one step back to the previous person of driver. For all of you, but for some of you guys only it might be available because it's grayed out right now. If you have not made any recent update, these options will not be available for you. Even sometimes disabling and enabling works. Try to disable your device and enable it again, so it should be working for you. All these different options you could try if you have a Bluetooth options available in a device manager. If it is not available in the device manager itself, and it is not even working, and it's not available in the device manager also, in that case what you're going to do, you're going to try all the steps that I have guided you in this tutorial. If this still persists, you will be proceeding to the next step. Okay guys, the another easy way is you're going to manually search for the driver over the internet, download and install it. Let's say if it is missing from a control panel, sorry, if it is missing from it's a device manager. So how to download the driver over the internet? Let's say it's a Bluetooth driver, Bluetooth driver for, let's say my PC brand is Dell and model is G7. So this is the procedure, this is the pattern how you're gonna search for the driver over the internet, and you're gonna choose the latest drivers. You can see here you have a lots of driver. You're going to choose the latest one, which one is the wireless Bluetooth device and drivers, and manually download and install the driver into your PC. This is another easy way you can follow in order to fix this issue. One more thing I would like to tell you, it's hold the Windows key and R, and you can open the services.msc. We have opened in the very beginning itself. Tap the B key, B letter for the Bluetooth support and services. Sometime what will happen is when you give a right click on it and go to properties, you will find the service is yet not started. So if the service is yet not started, you're gonna start the services. Okay, you can start from here itself, or you can give a right click on it and go to the properties and start the services. So one by one you're gonna start all three Bluetooth services. Now let's say following all these steps fixes the issue, Bluetooth issue. And when you start the services, if it is disabled, it will be available in the device manager also. Or when you manually download it from the internet, it will be available in the device manager. So in any case, if your Bluetooth device is Bluetooth driver is not working, or it is missing in a device manager, you can follow this tutorial step by step. I hope it helps. Share this video with your friends and family, and even they can try.